So let's add the fourth clip to the project so that we can show you some of the transitions available in Kdenlive. We will take the in and out points one more time, and we'll make this clip a little bit longer so that it has time and space for a transition. Let's put it on the timeline and then cut down the clip's volume to the level of its predecessors. Now you just take the clip with the mouse left click and drag it on top of the previous clip. Kdenlive then offers you a small purple circle in the lower left hand corner of the clip. You need to press it and a transition will appear. This is the default transition effect in Kdenlive. If you don't like it, you can click the transition and choose some other type of effect. There are many of them, and for the video, let's try this one called Linear X. Or this one, called Bilinear X. Or Burst. Feel free to play with all the transition effects there until you find the one that suits you. But for the video, we will go back to the default one. You might need to add more video and audio tracks in Kdenlive. Left-click the master area of the timeline and choose the option to insert a track. Since you are on the top of the timeline, a new video track will be automatically offered. Let's name the track V3. We'll repeat the procedure at the bottom of the timeline, and an audio track will be offered. We'll call it A3. The next thing is to see how we can change a shot in Kdenlive. Maybe we need an even bigger close-up shot in the sequence. So we will copy the last clip and paste it to the timeline. When a clip is copied, all of its properties are preserved, such as volume in our case. Without any effects added, the clip is just a continuation of the last shot. But now we go to the Effects tab. You can search for the desired effect manually. Or you can simply type in the effect that you want to apply to your clip and drag and drop it on the shot. In this case, we have taken the position and zoom effect, which will zoom in into our shot and make it different from its copy. Let's put the size to 140%. Here's the result. Now the shot, even more, closes up on the subject. If you need to navigate the timeline, you can press the Control button and drag the lower slider left or right. Now let's see how we can add audio to our project. We'll first add an audio file to the project bin. That's the song that we usually use in our videos. We will place the audio onto the new track that we previously made. We need to turn the music down since it's much louder than the audio of the video clips, so we will reduce it to -20 decibels. Here's how it sounds. Let's make it louder. It's time to talk about the keyframe ability, as we promised earlier in the video. This is the spot where we will add the first key to the volume effect. Now let's add the next one, where we will lower the audio level. Now we have a sort of a nice fade-out effect. This is the place where we will add another key, and then another one, to create a fade-in effect. Say you would need to interject a voiceover here. This is how you would turn down the music with a nice audio transition. Here we will do the same by adding keys to make another fade-out effect. Let's make two keys again, this time to turn down the volume completely. If you want to cut off the rest of the clip, you simply right-click it on the spot where you want to cut it, and then choose the option Cut Clip. Highlight the portion and press the Delete button on your keyboard. If you want to get rid of the natural sound clips, you can simply do it by right-clicking a clip and choose the option Ungroup Clips in the menu, and then deleting the audio part. You can also do a video fade-in so that the video does not start suddenly out of the blue. Similarly, you can fade it out so that the video finishes on the black screen.